Welcome back. Coming to the data analytics with Python assignment 4. So let's see the questions one by one. And coming to the first question, if we have a sample size of 20 and population standard deviation is known, we'll use Z test for hypothesis testing. Null hypothesis H0, H0, mu1 minus mu2 is equal to 0 is a two-tailed test. The quality control manager at a lithium battery factory needs to determine whether the mean life of a large shipment of lithium battery is equal to the specified value of 375 hours. The process standard deviation is known to be 100 hours. A random sample of 64 batteries indicate a sample mean life of 350 hours. State the null and alternative hypothesis. mu is equal to 375. The quality control manager at lithium battery factory needs to determine whether the mean life of a large shipment of lithium battery is equal to the specified value of 375 hours. The process standard deviation is known to be 100 hours. A random sample of 64 batteries indicates a sample mean life of 350 hours. At alpha is equal to 0.05 level of significance, is there any evidence that the mean life is different from 375 hours? No, there is not. For one-tailed test, the test statistic Z is determined to be 0. The p-value for this test is 0.5. The error of rejecting a true null hypothesis is a type 1 error. The mean cost of hotel room in a city is said to be $168 per night. A random sample of 25 rooms resulted in X bar is equal to 172.50 and sample standard deviation S is equal to 15.40. Calculate the t statistics. This is 1.46. In hypothesis testing, if the null hypothesis is rejected, the alternative hypothesis is true. In the hypothesis testing procedure, alpha is the level of significance. If a hypothesis is rejected at the 5% level of significance, will always be rejected at the 1% level. Now you can submit your answers. Now you can check your answers. If you feel that any of these answers are not correct, you can give the explanation in the comment box so that we can have a small discussion in the comment section. Okay, thank you.